You're not going to believe this. Fried chicken with water. Here, I'm using chicken wings. I season it with salt and garlic, sweet paprika, and black pepper. Then mix everything very well until the seasoning aggregates into all the chicken. The parts of the chicken and the seasonings are those of your preference. Books next door. In a container, add 4 tablespoons of cornmeal, 4 tablespoons of wet flour, and mix. Start soaking the chicken. Then just soak in a container with ice water. Leave for a while. Then just remove and let run a little. As soon as the chicken stops dripping, just put to fry in the hot oil. The amazing thing of all that it doesn't splash any oil. You will make a chicken super crispy, dry and without dirt. As soon as the chicken brown, leave it to drain all the oil. Look how amazing the chicken looks. Delicious, super fast, and simple to be made. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.